Today, April 2nd, is the occasion of Ram Navami. It's a beautiful festival. So this incidents has happened not today, this age. This happened in Treta Yuga. So if you take Treta Yuga, this is not today. This is how many years it becomes away. Kali Yuga is Kali Yuga. We're in the beginning of Kali Yuga. So Dwapar Yuga 8 lakhs, Treta Yuga 12 lakh. In the beginning of Treta Yuga, Lord Rama came. So 2 million years by simple calculation. But if you go more detailed, it's not even that much, because Lord Rama did not come in this cycle. He came 2-3 cycles before. So it becomes something like 20 million years ago, not only 2. That's why the Sthala Purana, as Srirangam says, Vibhishana installed the deities some 20 million years ago, 2 crore years ago. Now people will say कि लोग भाई 2 करोड़ साल पहले तो मनुष्य था ही नहीं, था, है ना. लॉर्ड राम का तो लीला जो त्रेता युग के शुरुआत में था, वो तो आप सिंपल कैलकुलेशन में करेंगे. द्वापर युग का 8 लाख, त्रेता युग का 12 लाख, 20 लाख. तो ये तो बोलते हैं 50,000 साल पहले मनुष्य आया था. मनुष्य था हमेशा. इन लोगों का कैलकुलेशन गलत है. साइंटिस्ट लोग बोलते हैं मनुष्य खाली 50,000 साल पहले आया. तो उससे पहले चिंपैंजी थे. हैं, लॉर्ड रामा तो का तो लीला था 20 लाख ही नहीं, 2 करोड़ साल पहले का पुराना लीला है. ठीक है. तो ये, और ये लीला भागवत में रिकॉर्डेड है, बहुत सारे रामायण में एक्चुअली बहुत विस्तार में रिकॉर्डेड है. हमको तो प्रभुपाद जी भागवत दी है. भागवत में सारांश में लीला है. हम वी विल रीड दोस इंपॉर्टेंट श्लोकास. देन उसके बाद वी हैव 25 लेसन्स फ्रॉम रामायण. ठीक है ना. छुट्टी है, सब लोग फ्री हैं. ठीक है, टाइम है, वी कैन डू दिस. फ्रॉम भागवतम 9th canto 10th chapter. This is the path Lord Rama took. This is Ayodhya, and he has gone to all these places and then finally gone to Lanka. Lord Rama's birth, he was prayed, and these are the 4 forms. This is a 9.10th canto, 2nd verse. Being prayed for by the demigod, the supreme personality, God of the absolute truth himself directly appeared with his expansion. The names are Rama, their holy names are Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, and Shatrughna. These celebrated incarnations that appeared in the 4 forms of Hansa, Maharaj, Dasharatha, all 4 are Vishnu Tattva. O King, the past and Lord Ramachandra are wonderful like those of a baby elephant. In the assembly where the mother Sita was to choose her husband, in the midst of the heroes of the world, he broke the bow belonging to Lord Shiva. This bow was so heavy it was carried by 300 men, but Lord Ramachandra bent and strung it and broke it in the middle, just as the baby elephant breaks a stick of sugar cane. You look at this. The bow is so big, 300 people have to carry. Kitna size bada hai? It looks more realistic compared to what they show in movies and series. You know, the bow has to be 300 people have to lift it. It was so big, and therefore the size is quite proportionate here. And Bukki broke it, and the sound was so tumultuous. You can see people jumping here and there. Sudden sound when the broke. Take it. The Lord achieved the hand of Mother Sita, who was equally as endowed with transcendental qualities of form, beauty, behavior, age, nature. Indeed, she was the goddess of fortune who constantly rests on the chest of the Lord. Okay? Sita, Lord Rama is Narayana, Sita is Lakshmi. Lakshmi is always in the chest of Narayana. By returning from Sita's home after gaining at the assembly of the competitors, Lord Ramachandra met Parashuram. Although Parashurama was very proud, having rid the earth of the royal order 21 times, was defeated by the Lord, who appeared to be a Kshatriya of the royal order. Okay, this is one pastime. Now the second pastime. This is from Bhagavatam. Carrying out the order of his father, who was bound by promise to his wife, Lord Ramachandra left his kingdom, opulence, friends, well-wisher, residence, and everything else, just a liberated soul, gifts of the life, and went to the forest of Sita. There was no comparison to this renunciation. Next day he was to be the king. अगले दिन राजा बनने वाले थे. पहले दिन सब छोड़ के ऐसे चले गए, जैसे कोई बड़ी चीज नहीं है. It's not easy to renounce like this, and he did it. Who was the mother's name? Who made him go away? Kaikeyi. ठीक है. And we'll come to the lessons from this pastime, but we can see total renunciation, no attachment. punishing Ravana's sister. 9.10.9 When wandering in the forest, he accepted the wild life of hardship, carrying the invincible bow and arrows in his hand. Lord Ramachandra deformed Ravana's sister, who was polluted lusty desires, by cutting off her nose and ears. He also killed a 14,000 Rakshasa friend headed by Khara, Trishira and Dushana. Take it, this all happened, everybody knows. This was what is the name of the Ravana's sister? Suparnaka. Correct? And she tried to kill Sita. At that time Lakshmana took up her. In fact, she was going to Lakshmana, please accept me as the husband. Lakshmana said, no, Lord Rama. Lord Rama said, oh, I am already married, how can I? So she said, whole problem with the Sita, I will kill the Sita. So at that time Lakshmana took off his knife and cut off her nose and ears and sent her away. Not ears, only the nose. Only the nose. And anyway, she went to Ravana and she told, my God, she wanted revenge. The Sita is so beautiful. And Ravana lost control. He was used to kidnapping people's wife, and he came there and big drama happened. O King Parikshit, 9:10:10, when Ravana, who had 10 heads on his shoulders, heard about beautiful and attractive features of Sita, his mind was agitated by lusty desires. And he went to kidnap her. To distract Lord Ramachandra from his ashram, Ravana sent Maricha in the form of golden deer, and when Ramachandra saw that the wonderful deer, he left the residence and followed it and finally killed it with a sharp arrow, just as the Lord Shiva killed Daksha. In fact, Maricha had a very interesting incident. He told Ravana, I don't want to go. He said, no, if you don't go, I'll kill you. So he said, better to be killed by Lord Rama than killed by Ravana. So he went. Prabhupada cited that instance. When Prabhupada was at the time of his leaving the world, Prabhupada said, take me to Govardhan Parikrama. So the Prabhupada said, all the devotees said, Prabhupada, if you take for Govardhan Parikrama, you will die there. Yeah, better be killed in that way than be killed here, sitting on the bed. Kidnapping of Mother Sita. 9:10:11 Ramachandra entered the forest and Lakshmana was also absent. The worst of the Rakshas, Ravana kidnapped Sita Devi, the daughter of King of Videha, just as a tiger sees an unprotected sheep when the shepherd is absent. Then Lord Ramachandra wandered into the forest with his brother Lakshmana, as if very much distressed due to separation from his wife, that he showed his personal exam, the condition of person attached to a woman. So when you become attracted to woman, that's our condition, attached to. Attachment should not be there. Compassion should be there. Correct? Attachment means we will suffer. Any attachment, है ना? सारा दुनिया में रोते क्यों हैं लोग? Attachment की वजह से. We should not have attachment. We should have compassion, affection. That's okay. So anyway, Lord Rama is beyond all these things. Lord Rama is experience क्या? Vipralamba bhava. That is not pain, that is pleasure. But हम लोगों के लिए एक lesson है. If you get attached in this word, खाली रोगे बैठ के बस. Varuna's prayers for Lord Rama. 13. After reaching the beach, Lord Ramachandra, see, this is the summary, Ramayana, that's all we can do. After reaching the beach, Lord Ramachandra fasted for 3 days, awaiting the arrival of the ocean personified. When ocean did not come, the Lord exhibited a pastime of anger. Sai, जब क्लास बनाएंगे सारा स्लाइड्स डाल देना. Simply glancing all the living entity within it, including the crocodiles and shark, were agitated by fear. Then the personified ocean fearfully approached Lord Ramachandra, taking all peripheral to worship him. Falling at the Lord's lotus feet, the personified ocean spoke as follows. So we can see this pastime. Actually, Lord Ramachandra came to the shore of the ocean, Indian Ocean. He came to know through Hanuman, who had burned Lanka, that Sita is there. Confirmed where she is. So Lord Ramachandra decided to attack the kingdom to get his back his wife. When he reached the shore of the ocean, इतना बड़ा समुद्र, अब क्या करेंगे? So what did he do? He sat down and prayed to ocean personified. मेरे को रास्ता दीजिए. But ocean did not care at the pastime. So what did he do? He looked with anger at the ocean, and whole ocean started shaking. Just like it's sa ashaja, sa aikshaja. The Lord just glanced, the metal nature became agitated, and all the living entities are born. Correct? Just by देखने से. आपके देखने से कुछ नहीं होता. भगवान के खाली देखने तो पूरा समुद्र हिल गया. Correct? And that is the time the ocean personified came out. When he prayed to Lord, that what did he pray? He prayed that you make your way. And Ravana is nothing. Okay, I'll read. Oh, all-pervading Supreme Person, we are dull-minded, did not understand who you are, but we now understand you are the Supreme Person, the Master of the entire universe, the unchanging, original personality Godhead. The demigods are infatuated in the mode of goodness, Prajapati in the mode of passion, Lord goes in the mode of ignorance. But you are master of all these qualities. First prayer always to the Lord is beyond the effect of the Maya. Correct? First thing what you see between yourself and a pure devotee or the Lord is there, untouched by Maya. My Lord, you may use my water as you like. Indeed, you may cross it and go to the abode of Ravana with the greatest source of disturbance and crying for the 3 words. He is the son of Vishrava but is condemned like urine. मूत की तरह. पिताजी 2 चीज़ एक जगह से पैदा करते हैं, मूत और बच्चा. कह रहे जब बच्चा भक्त नहीं बनता वो मूत के बराबर है. Please go kill him and thus regain your wife Sita Devi. Oh great hero, although my water present no impediment to your going to Lanka, please construct a bridge over it to spread your transcendental fame. आप ब्रिज बनाइए. आप बहुत आपका मैं चाहता हूँ आपका यश आए दुनिया में. आपके लिए छोटा सी चीज़ ब्रिज बनाओ, आपका यश आएगा. अपॉन नहीं तो मैं रास्ता दे देता हूँ, मैं तो पानी खाली कर सकता हूँ, बट नहीं, ब्रिज बनाओ, थोड़ा आपका यश आना चाहिए. अपॉन सीइंग दिस वंडरफुल अनकॉमन डीड ऑफ योर लॉर्डशिप ऑल द ग्रेट हीरोज किंग द फ्यूचर विल ग्लोरीफाई. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. अभी तक लॉर्ड रामा वी टॉक अबाउट द ब्रिज, है ना, उससे आपका यश बढ़ेगा. Shukdev Goswami said, 1016, after constructing a bridge over the ocean by throwing into the water the peaks of the mountain or trees and other vegetation had been shaken by the hands of great monkey, Lord Ramachandra went to Lanka to release Sita Devi from the clutches of Ravana. With the direction and help of Vibhishana, Ravana's brother, the Lord, along with the monkey soldiers headed by Sugriva, Nila, Hanuman entered Ravana kingdom, Lanka, which had previously been burned by Hanuman. This is all short coming in Bhagavatam. He entered and destroyed Lanka. We will go to more detail when we go to the lessons. Okay. Now 3 shlokas, whole Rama, this war is over. Thereafter, when Ravana, 1021, Ravana, the king of the Rakshasa, observed that his soldiers had been lost, he was extremely angry. Thus he mounted on an aeroplane which was decorated with the flowers and proceeded toward Lord Ramachandra, who sat on the effulgent chariot brought by Matali. Shri Radha Govinda ki. The chariot driver Indra, then Ravana struck Lord Ramachandra with sharp arrows. Lord Ramachandra said to Ravana, you are the most abominable of the man-eaters. Indeed, you are like their stool. You resemble a dog, for the dog steals eatables from my kitchen in the absence of the householder. In my absence, you kidnap my wife Sita Devi. Therefore, as the Yamaraj punishes sinful one, I shall also punish you. You are the most abominable, sinful and shameless. Today I shall, whose attempt never fails, shall punish you. Just imagine क्या इज्जत रह गया. कह रहे हम भी बहुत कुछ कर्म करते हैं, सोचना चाहिए क्या इज्जत होगा. देखो रावण का क्या इज्जत बचा है. क्या बोल रहे हैं, कुत्ते की तरह. तो क्यों, जैसे कुत्ता या बिल्ली खाना चुराते हैं ना जब मालिक नहीं होता. कह रहे तूने भी वैसे ही किया, मेरी एब्सेंस में मेरी बीवी को चोरी किया. कुत्ता बहुत बड़ा थप्पड़ है. After thus rebuking Ravana, Lord Ramachandra fixed his arrow to his bow, aimed at Ravana, released the arrow which pierced Ravana's heart like a thunderbolt. Upon seeing this, Ravana's followers raised a tumultuous sound, crying, Alas, alas, what hath happened, what hath happened? As Ravana, vomiting blood from its 10 mouths, fell from the aeroplane just like a pious one falls to the earth from the heavenly planet when the reserves of pious activity are exhausted. Finally, he killed him. Lord Rama killed him. Okay. Lord Ramachandra returned to his capital Ayodhya. He was greeted on the road by princely order, who showered his body with beautiful fragrant flowers, while great personality like Lord Brahma, demigod, glorified the active Lord in great jubilation. So the big celebration, the whole universe. That's the Krishna ki Leela mein padhte na, every time Krishna kills a demon, what happens? Flowers are thrown. So the flowers are thrown when he came back to the kingdom after 14 years. Upon reaching Ayodhya, Lord Ramachandra heard that his absent brother Bharata was eating barley cooked in the urine of a cow, covering his body with the bark of trees and wearing matted locks of hair and lying on the mattress of Kusha. The most merciful Lord very much lamented this. He felt very sad seeing Bharata was doing so much tapasya. Each character in Ramayana is so beautiful, है ना? Very deep character. You can learn so many things from everybody. When Lord Bharata understood the Lord Ramachandra returned to the capital Ayodhya, he immediately took up on his own head Lord Ramachandra wooden shoes. Actually, he kept on the Sihasan, never sat on the Sihasan, kept his padukas. And came out of the camp at Nandigram. Lord Bharata was accompanied by ministers, priests, and other respectable citizens, by professional musicians vibrating musical sound, by learned Brahmana loudly chanting the Vedic hymn. Following the procession were a chariot drawn by beautiful horses, the harnesses of a golden robe. This chariot decorated with flags with golden embroidery and other flags of various sizes and patterns. There were soldiers bedecked with golden armor, servants bearing betel nut, many well-known beautiful prostitutes. Many servants followed on the foot, bearing an umbrella, whisked different grades of precious jewels and other paraphernalia befitting a royal reception. Accompanied in this way, Lord Bharata, his heart softened in ecstasy, his eyes full of tears, approached Lord Ramachandra, fell at the lotus feet with great ecstatic love. Okay, now I have made another file for that. Okay, that's it as Ramayana is concerned from Bhagavatam, short. Now let us take the lessons, we will expand the Leelas. First thing is power of bad association. Yes. Okay, this is enough, readable. More. Better. So what are the lessons we can get from Ramayana? I'll take 25 and then we can add on, and I'm taking each one. Anybody can give a comment also now. Power of bad association, Dusanga. And who was that? KKE. किसका एसोसिएशन लिया? मंतरा. और दिमाग खराब हो गया. सो असत्संग त्याग बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. बहुत लोग हमेशा डिस्टर्ब रहते हैं, दूसरों से ईर्ष्या करते हैं, चिढ़ते हैं, उनसे अपना मन अपना डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. ठीक है. Yesterday night we had big discussion on aparat. Krishna's Grace, very nice group is there. So we had a very good discussion on aparat. Daksha gave offense to Lord Shiva and it pains Sati so much. We are discussing offense is so painful. So somebody's mind is very offensive, uske man mein hamesha, and that's our nature also. We hate somebody, we take pleasure in discussing his faults. That becomes fault finding. We should totally avoid meditating on anybody's fault. Rather, we should meditate on our own fault. Then spiritual life starts. Spiritual life shuru hoti hai jab we can meditate on our own fault. Then you become humble. We have to look. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada said, in faults that disturb you, meditate on your own faults. Okay? Sometimes between two Vaishnavas, misunderstanding happen. दो वैष्णव के बीच में कभी कभी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है ना. करेक्ट. सो प्रॉपर जी से पूछा क्या करने का. प्रॉपर जी देखो, अगर मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है तो ये समझने का मेरे ही कुछ ऐसा लिमिटेशन है. देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ माई कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस दैट दिस हैज हैपेंड. वी शुड नॉट मेडिटेट ऑन अदर पर्सन. At the same time, we should see the reality, but for personally, this should be the principle. As far as other Vaishnava is concerned, we cannot tolerate an offense to other Vaishnava. But personally, we should tolerate and feel it is my lack of Krishna consciousness that our relationship is spoiled. So that is bad association. We should be careful. ठीक है. असत संग त्यागा. असत का मतलब क्या है? स्त्री संगी कृष्ण भक्ता. जिसको अपोजिट सेक्स पूरे टाइम एक सुंदर स्त्री चाहिए, ये आदमी असत है. बहुत डेंजर है उसका संग, बिकॉज हमारा भक्ति नष्ट हो जाएगा. कृष्ण अभक्ता, भगवान से ईर्ष्या करता है. ये दो तरह का लोग का दिल में भक्ति नहीं हो सकता. असत, सत नहीं है, असत. असत संग त्याग, उससे दूर रहने का, बिकॉज अपना भक्ति डिस्टर्ब होता है ना. संदर्शनम विषयानाम, ध्यान रखने का. जैसे अजामिल था स्त्री संगी. किसको देखा? अजामिल बहुत अच्छा ब्राह्मण था. किसको देखा? एक लड़के को जंगल में क्या कर रहा था? स्त्री से संग कर रहा था. उसको देख के क्या हुआ? उसके मन में वही विचार आ गया, है ना. हमारे मन में भी, हम भी ऐसा नहीं है कि वैकुंठ से गिरे हैं यहाँ पे. हम भी सब उल्टा सीधा काम कर रहे थे. अभी कृष्ण की कृपा से सेवा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वापस जाना कोई ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है. ईजिली अपने कुकर्मों में वापस जा सकते हैं. फिर खाली ड्रेस रह जाएगा, वैष्णव का मन अवैष्णव हो जाएगा. तो इसलिए असत संग नहीं करना. असत बनना नहीं, असत का संग ही नहीं करने का. ठीक है, ध्यान रखने का. और उसका देखो क्या हुआ, कई को मंत्र को सुन के मन खराब हो गया, है ना. नोबडी कैन हार्म यू अनलेस यू हार्म योरसेल्फ. उसके मन में भी कुछ होगा थोड़ा ईर्ष्या, लेकिन उसने चढ़ा दिया. फर्स्ट वन क्लियर है. 25 है लेसन. सेकेंड, ठीक है ना. Second, attachment to service, not position. Now Bhagwan Ram ko, he had, I have to obey my Lord, my Father, just like we have to obey the Guru. We should always see the meditation in that way. To service, not position. Now some services are there are a lot of facilities with that service. Just like आप फंड रेजर हैं तो आप गाड़ी में जाएंगे, बहुत फैसिलिटीज़ होता है. कुछ सेवा होता है उसमें हमको उससे मतलब नहीं, हमको सेवा से मतलब है. So Lord Rama, father said, okay, rule the kingdom. He was ready. बड़ा kingdom है, पोजीशन है, पावर है, धन है. बोला नहीं नहीं, ऐसा तुम जंगल जाओ, ठीक है, मेरा काम सेवा करना है, मेरा पोजीशन से वैल्यू से मतलब नहीं है. सेवा से भगवान खुश होते हैं. भगवान को क्या मतलब है तुम्हारा पोजीशन से. बट वी आर सो मच, दुनिया में है, वी आर सो मच इंटरेस्टेड एंड अफेक्टेड बाय द पोजीशन. अटैचमेंट टू सर्विस, नॉट टू पोजीशन. ठीक है ना, अच्छा पॉइंट है. थर्ड, आई रिमेंबर जब हमारा बैंगलोर में बड़ा मंदिर खुला था, मेरा सर्विस था बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का. तो क्या एक टेबल और वहाँ पे खड़े हैं, कुछ और नहीं. एंड देन मैं बाकी लोग का देखने गया, बड़ा बहुत सुंदर मंदिर था. अरे सब वो इतने बड़े बड़े ऑफिस जो फंड रेजर्स. सो आई वाज सो एनवियस, माय गॉड दे गॉट सच बिग बिग फैसिलिटी. somebody is temple commander, such a huge office. So heart was burning with envy. ठीक है, but actually Krishna's grace, this service produced more happiness than any other service. We met so many devotees and we were in bliss. In fact, everybody was looking at this service at that time by Krishna's grace. We became the largest book distributor in the world. So many volunteers, ecstasy and ecstasy we had. And other people, big officers, most of them left the temple and went away. So we get very attracted to big office, big position and all. This is true. We should more focus on service. उसमें ज़्यादा आनंद आता है. हमें सेवा करना है कृष्ण का. हम कृष्ण के, ये सब चीज़ तो हमारे पास था, वो छोड़ के आए इधर. फिर वही कभी कभी क्या होता है, वी कम टू कृष्ण कॉन्शियस, वी वर हैविंग material world, the race for all these things, position, prestige and all. We left all that and came. Again, we should not start another rat race here. Mission of life should be to vanquish the demonic tendency in the Lord Rama's purpose to kill the demons of food, banished into the forest. Okay, so sometimes what happens, we do not know the purpose in life, so some difficulties come. Sometimes in difficulty Krishna is removing a very big anartha from your heart, but हम लोगों को समझ नहीं आता है. Even extreme reverse are taken proper spirit to help fulfill a mission of life. But I remember when I was Karmi, अपना कॉलेज दिल्ली में एडमिशन नहीं मिला, कानपुर जाना पड़ा. अरे अब दिल्ली का आदमी अगर कानपुर जाए, जस्ट लाइक मैंगलोर का आदमी कोई सोच रहा, सुन लिया, बोले इतना दुख हो गया. मैं कुछ नहीं उधर कानपुर में, कुछ नहीं. दिल्ली तो बड़ा शहर है ना, कानपुर तो बहुत ही गंदा शहर था. अभी पता नहीं कहाँ आ गया मैं इधर. कोई दोस्त नहीं, कोई वेलविशर नहीं. आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी दुख. बट वहाँ भक्ति मिली, वहीं भक्त बने. सो कभी कभी वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, अगर थोड़ा मुश्किल आ गया, बट पर्टिकुलरली दैट टाइम आई वाज नॉट डिवोटी. वी कैन सी पॉजिटिव. व्हेन यू आर अ डिवोटी, व्हाई नॉट? नो सिचुएशन इज बैड, एवरी सिचुएशन इज गुड. ठीक है, we should look for a good situation, whatever Krishna brings us. Yes, so even the reverse can be great advancement. राम और आराम, क्या चाहिए? राम आराम. ठीक है, 6 घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं सोना चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? राम आराम. कम करो नींद, खाना कम, नींद कम, सब कम होना चाहिए. We should eat less, sleep less, or focus on spiritual life. हम यहाँ राम आराम करने आए या राम को ढूंढने आए? सोचना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो ध्यान से we should whatever time we get, chant, read, don't waste time, do service. My desire is 8, 8, 8. Everybody should do, then temple will progress. 8 घंटा सेवा, 8 घंटा साधना, 8 घंटा रेस्ट. ठीक है, ऐसा प्लान हर दिन रात को. see how many hours I did service, how many hours I did sadhana, how many hours I took care of the body, and bring it to 8 plus 8 plus 8. That is ideal. ठीक है, so राम और आराम, it's पूरा citizens of Ayodhya, they wanted to go with Lord Rama to, they also wanted to go to Vanvas. They were not interested to stay in this. They so much loved him. They were not interested in Aram. They wanted Ram. And end also, when Lord Rama said, I am going back to Godhead, I have done my part, and he handed the throne to his love Kush, correct? And when he is going, Ayodhya, not even a squirrel remained. Sab chale gaye. Lord Rama took the whole Ayodhya to Vaikuntha. But है ना, सबको ले गए ना, पूरा अयोध्या को, अयोध्यावासी को वैकुंठ ले गए अपना अयोध्या धाम में. बट वाई दे वांटेड, उनको राम चाहिए था, आराम नहीं. तो हमको क्या चाहिए, राम या आराम सोचने का. सो गए 20 घंटा हो गया, आराम भी पाओ तो भक्ति निकल जाएगी. Alertness is spiritual life. Lord Rama leaves Ayodhyavasi when they are asleep. When you entertain, when you lose taste of bhakti. Yes, we should not be. Rather, we should use every opportunity to serve Krishna. We should look for an opportunity. Prabhupada says you will miss an opportunity. Just like opportunity हमेशा नहीं आता है, एक अवसर है भगवान का सेवा के लिए. We should not miss. Just like वो क्या रेडियो मिर्ची ना, मस्त मजा मारी. डोंट मिस एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर इंद्रिय भोग. ये दुनिया का ऐसा उसूल है, इंद्रिय भोग का एक भी अवसर मिस नहीं करने का. हाँ मजा कर. ये सेवा का अवसर है, उसको वी शुड नॉट मिस. Alertness. Sometimes saintly person might cause pain to others, not to hurt but to benefit them. Then example, Bharat Maharaj was very angry at Kaikeyi, but actually nothing wrong for her. It was good for her because she has to do prashita what she did. Goal is to please the Lord. So sometimes in duty we have to scold somebody, but not to harm him. That is not an intention, but to for his own good. Our goal is to become nice devotees. हम किस लिए आए, भक्त बनने आए. करेक्ट. यहाँ क्या दिखाने आए अपना घमंड, ये सब. यहाँ भक्त बनने आए. तो बहुत खोट है हमारे पास, सबके पास. सो व्हेन समबडी इंस्ट्रक्ट समबडी, वी शुड टेक, सीखना चाहिए. करेक्ट. Goal is to please the Lord. For Bharat, he wanted to stay in the forest easier than to return and rule the kingdom, but he did it to please the Lord. Yes, भरत महाराज को भी वापस जाने का मन नहीं है, बट भगवान राम ने आदेश दिया, जाओ राजा का सेवा करो, तो सेवा किया. So goal is to please the Lord. हमारा जीवन का लक्ष्य होता है to how to please the Lord. 9th, Lord is the proprietor. This is so beautiful. भरत महाराज ने राज्य स्वीकार किया, बट कभी भी सिंहासन में नहीं बैठे, अपने पादुका को उधर रख दिया. ठीक है. तो सब लोगों के पास कुछ तो है. एवरीबडी हैज सम काइंड ऑफ प्रोप्राइटरशिप, बट व्हाट वी शुड थिंक दैट वो जो पोजीशन है उसमें भगवान के पादुका को रख दो और सेवक के रूप में सेवा करो. ग्रेट. एनीबडी कैन मेक अ शो ग्रेटनेस. तो सुपर्णखा अपने को बड़ा समझती थी, एक सेकंड में उसका रियलिटी आ गया. तो हाँ, शो ऑफ ग्रेटनेस वी कैन ऑल डू, बट रियलिटी इज आवर ग्रेटनेस टेस्टेड बाय वंस एबिलिटी टू टॉलरेट प्रोवोकिंग सिचुएशंस. भक्त के लिए जो विपरीत अवस्था आती है, कितना वो टॉलरेट कर सकता है, उसकी ग्रेटनेस बाहर आती है ना. नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में सभी ठीक है, थोड़ा उसको रब करो, थोड़ा अरे बेवकूफ़ है क्या, दिमाग नहीं है क्या, बड़ रजोगुण तमोगुण बाहर आ जाता है. तो देन वी शुड सी हाउ मच वी आर कल्टिवेटिंग, कितना अपना मन को शुद्ध किया है. कृष्ण दिखाते हैं जगह जगह पे. वी शुड टेक लेसन. भक्ति और सीता कैन नॉट बी अचीव बाय डिसेप्शन. भगवान का बेवकूफ़ नहीं बना सकते. जैसे रावण ट्राई टू गेट सीता, ही डिडंट गेट सीता. रावण को डुप्लीकेट सीता मिली थी, और वो भी कभी एग्री नहीं करी रावण के साथ भोग करने में. तो जब हम लोग दुनिया में भोग करने आए मूर्खों की तरह, भगवान की सेवा की जगह कभी भोग नहीं कर पाते. बिकॉज ये दुनिया में है. इट्स एग्जाम्पल इज लाइक एप्पल का शेडो, ऊर्ध्व मूला अधः शाखा. 15 चैप्टर फर्स्ट श्लोक है. करेक्ट. व्हाट इज द लेसन देयर? जब शेडो में आपको सेब दिख रहा है, व्हेन यू सी एन एप्पल इन द शेडो, यू कैन नॉट ईट द शेडो. ओनली हैप्पीनेस इज इन एंटिसिपेशन. सो इन दिस वर्ल्ड रावण सीता मिल गई मेरे को, मिल गई ना. He could not even once embrace her. She never agreed. So same way we also think मजा आएगा. है ही नहीं मजा इस दुनिया में. बट हम लोग सोचते अब तो मजा आ गया, अब तो सीता मिल गई मेरे को. तो हम भी इसी तरह कुछ ना कुछ निर्भोग की वस्तु पूरा दिन मेहनत करते हैं, जिंदगी मेहनत करते हैं पाने के लिए, लेकिन कोई सुख नहीं है उसमें. 12th, माया अट्रैक्शन क्रिएट ट्रैप्स एंड मेक अस सफर. दैट इज एन एग्जाम्पल. अभी सीता देवी लक्ष्मी, शी कैन नॉट बी चीटेड. सीता देवी को महामाया छू नहीं सकती, खाली योग माया छू सकती. योग माया के अनुसार उनका लीला हुआ. करेक्ट. तो योग माया ट्रैप्ड her and she felt attracted to the deer. It's a pastime. She cannot be attracted by a deer. That's not a position. ठीक है ना. माया, सीता को माया नहीं छू सकती, वो तो एक योग माया का एक खेल था. बट व्हाट इज द लेसन फॉर अस? माया नोज अवर वीकनेस. माया हमारी वीकनेस जानती है और हमको पकड़ लेती है उसी चीज से. सो वी शुड बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. ऑलवेज स्टैंड बाय द राइट. दैट इज एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम जटायु. the very big example. Jatayu gave his life, and what did he do? Try to serve Lord Ram. So it's better to lose and win than win and lose. देखिए बहुत अच्छा है. Jatayu lost his life fighting for Lord Rama, but achieved the purpose of life to please the Lord. So better to lose and win than win and lose. What profit is the man who gains the whole world but loses his soul? कभी कभी हम इतना मेहनत करते हैं दुनिया में धन कमाने के लिए, पोजीशन कमाने के लिए, लेकिन भक्ति तो निकल गई ना. So our position should be, what do I want in life? Better I fight for Lord Rama. I may lose everything. Doesn't matter. Better I serve Lord Ram. Better I serve Krishna. 15, अभी तो 25 हैं. Patient, determination, enthusiasm किसके लाइफ से आता है? शबरी. शबरी का सबको मालूम है एग्जाम्पल. तो शबरी वेटेड होल लाइफ फॉर लॉर्ड रामा टू कम. हम भी सोचते हैं कृष्ण आएंगे ढंग से जप करो, ध्यान से. कृष्णा शुड बी प्लीज्ड बाय योर डिटर्मिनेशन. व्हेन द गोपीज, कृष्णा वाज नॉट विजिबल. कृष्ण जी गोपी से चले गए थे ना रासलीला पे. सो गोपीज वर क्राइंग एंड प्रेइंग इंटेंसली टू कृष्णा. देन कृष्णा अपीयर्स एंड कृष्णा सेड, आई वाज ऑलवेज देयर. I was always there but not visible to you. I was seeing your call. So अभी कभी सोते हैं मैं ढंग से जब कृष्णा नहीं देख रहे, बैठे हैं सुन रहे हैं, आपके दिल में परमात्मा के रूप में भी सुन रहे हैं, ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं, उसमें निराश होने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट अभी हम रेडी नहीं है. As I told many times, if Krishna comes in front of us, we cannot handle now. करेक्ट, हम डिस्टर्ब कर देंगे क्योंकि हमारे काम क्रोध सब है. अभी वी आर नॉट रेडी. हमारा दिल में प्रेम नहीं है, अभी काम क्रोध है. अभी जब रेडी हो जाएंगे डेफिनेटली कृष्ण को 24 घंटे देखो. कैसे? प्रेमांजना छुरित भक्ति विलोचनेना. ठीक है, संता सदैव हृदयेषु विलोकयन्ति. सो ऑलवेज यू विल सी. सो पेशेंट, डिटर्मिनेशन, उत्साह, निश्चय, धैर्य. वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू भक्ति. तत्त कर्म प्रवर्तना संग त्याग सतोवृत्ति. वी डू दिस थिंग्स. रूप गोस्वामी assures we will see Krishna one day. Honesty, we can't put facade before Lord Rama. हनुमान जी तो भगवान राम को थोड़ा बेवकूफ़ बनाना चाहते थे. उनको बात करने गए थे ना, पहला सुग्रीव ने भेजा था पता करो कौन है, तो एक ड्रेस में आए थे ब्राह्मण के. लॉर्ड रामा रिकग्नाइज्ड हिम. ठक. सो आप भगवान के आगे नाटक नहीं कर सकते. ही नोज व्हाट यू आर. करेक्ट. दुनिया के आगे नाटक चलता है, भगवान के आगे नहीं चलता. ऑब्स्टिकल्स इन द पाथ ऑफ भक्ति. नाउ दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. When Hanumanji was jumping to Lanka, in between three he had obstacles that represent 3 obstacles in serving Krishna. Number 1, Golden Mountain came. Please take some rest. Hanumanji said, मेरे पास time नहीं है. Please accept the service. Just touched it and went away. Okay, I accept your service and went away. I have no time. So when you want to do service, थोड़ा 2 घंटे सो जाता हूँ. क्या सेवा कर रहे हैं? We should do little rest. In fact, daytime we should not sleep more than 1 hour. As a rule, we should not sleep. It's not good. Actually, we should try to avoid, if we can do, sleeping in the day. In fact, many sannyasis, whenever we meet, we ask, they always tell, don't sleep in the daytime. Because क्या होता है, जैसे अब देखो सुबह आप भक्ति को डेवलप कर रहे हो, इतना साधना किया, भक्ति डेवलप हुआ, अबे सो गया, फुस, है ना, आग लग रही, पानी डाल दिया उसमें. So we should keep developing as far as possible. And if it is afternoon time, just 1 hour nap we can take. Prabhupada allowed that 1 hour, but not more than. We should keep an alarm so we don't sleep too much in the daytime. Not good. So आराम नहीं, हम यहाँ सेवा करने आए. रूप गोस्वामी, सनातन गोस्वामी का प्रॉपर एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. पहले तो मिनिस्टर से 10-12 घंटे सोते थे, लेकिन जब चेतन बाबू के मूवमेंट में आए 2 घंटा भी नहीं सोते थे. कभी कभी 2 घंटा भी नहीं, एक मिनट नहीं सोते थे. वो इतना बिजी. तो इतना बिजी अपने आप को रखने का. ठीक है. वी शुड टेक केयर. गोल्ड माउंटेन. नंबर 2 was Shurasa, shadow. So shadow means symbolizing people. She had a power to catch people by the shadow. So लोग हमारा shadow मत, लोग हमारा क्रिटिसाइज करते रहते हैं, बहुत मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है, ये सब होता है. ये सब टॉलरेट करने का, हम अपना सेवा नहीं छोड़ने का. जैसे अर्जुन का युद्ध में अभिमन्यु मर गया था, युद्ध नहीं छोड़ा उसने. करेक्ट. दर्द होता है. तो दुनिया में भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आप भगवान का सेवा करेंगे, जैसे प्रहलाद महाराज सेवा करे थे, पिताजी मारने आ गए, है ना, तो लोग आपका मजाक बनाएंगे, ये करेंगे. पीपल मेक फन ऑफ यू, पीपल से सो मेनी थिंग. दैट इज नॉट. आई हैव टू फोकस ऑन सर्विंग कृष्णा. नॉट लाइक अ चाइल्ड आई गेट इफेक्टेड बाय समबडी सेज अ कमेंट, है ना. व्हाट दे से, द मार्च ऑफ द एलिफेंट्स विल गो ऑन, लेट द डॉग्स बार्क, है ना. कैरावन विल गो ऑन. कैरावन चलता रहता है, कुत्ते भौंकते रहते हैं, है ना. अभी आप अपने काम में जाते हो, यू गो फॉर वर्क, सो मेनी टाइम डॉग्स आर बार्किंग, यू इग्नोर. So So similarly, if not everybody will appreciate bhakti. Bhakti is the greatest thing to do, but not everybody will appreciate. People will make fun. Even society, when you go to do Harinam in public, so many people laugh. We are focused on service to Guru, to Prabhupada. We should not be bothered about all that, है ना? लोग क्या बोलेंगे, बोलने दो. आपको क्या करना? धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे भक्ति बढ़ता रहता है, आदमी बेशर्म हो जाता है. करो बोलना, जब बोल शुरू में इफेक्ट होता है, बाद में बेशर्म हो जाते हैं. ठीक है? But that is true because my focus is to please Krishna. Not everybody in this world will appreciate. कोई भी काम में we cannot satisfy everybody. Even the best teacher in the college, वो 95% से ज़्यादा लोग स्टूडेंट्स को खुश नहीं कर सकते. Even if 5% students are fed up with him, what he can do? He has to do his duties. Correct? We cannot satisfy everybody. सबको खुश करना हमारा पर्पस नहीं है. We have to satisfy Krishna. That is our focus. ठीक है? But as far as possible. So that is the second. So when you're trying to serve Krishna, what is the first thing will be your obstacle? Laziness. ठीक है? Rest. थोड़ा rest कर लो. And number 2, shadow. Criticism. लोग बोलेंगे अरे क्या है वो है, छोड़ो. Number 3, serpent, Simika. The serpent came to swallow, became huge. Hanuman went inside and cut the serpent and came out. ठीक है? The same way, a serpent symbolizes enviousness, jealousy. Correct? We become jealous. That destroys our bhakti. So we should be careful. Particularly, we should not become jealous of a Vaishnava. Never. We destroy our bhakti. 18. Arrogance cannot understand well-wishers. When you become too arrogant, too proud, we cannot understand. So many people try to instruct Ravana. His own wife told you what you are doing is wrong. His guru told, his father told, everybody, his Kumbhakarna told, his son Indrajit also told, as far as I know, and definitely Vibhishana told, stop all this. I think not less than maybe everybody told him stop it. But he was crazy, gone crazy. Even his own citizens, whoever could advise him, please don't do this. Why you kidnap somebody's wife? It is wrong. Don't fight this war. Don't fight with Lord Ram. What are you doing? Everybody advised him. And we read that day, untold stories of Ramayana. Even Bali Maharaj advised him. He went to meet him. Everybody advised him, don't do this. But he went ahead and destroyed himself. So we become too proud. Hamesha we should be ready for listening. Alright? We should be good. Anybody advice, we should be ready to listen. Always there is some instruction. But घमंड होने में आदमी किसी का सुनता नहीं है. But actually we should always ready to listen. Then we can improve. We don't want to listen, then we will not improve. 19. Big or small, we can cross the ocean of samsara by chanting Lord's holy name. Okay? Just like any stone could float. So whatever big or small we are, if we keep the name of the Lord in our mouth, we can cross. आपने देखा राम वाले? I used to go to collection in Bangalore. I met one person. So I said, हमारा बहुत बड़ा मंदिर बन रहा है. You have to help us. You are making a big temple. Please help us. So that person was constantly Ram. कितना है donation? How much is the donation I have to give? Ram. He was like that. He was shopkeeper, cloth merchant, big fellow, rich person. Ram. मैंने कहा, you have to give me this much amount, 10,000 the membership. Ram. Took a checkbook. What name I write? ISKCON. ISKCON. Ram. He was not left Ram. I saw him. Have you seen somebody? देखा आपने किसी को? ऐसे भी कुछ लोग होते हैं, राम का भगवान राम का नाम उनका मुंह से नहीं निकलता. राम पूरे दिन राम. ठीक है, मंदिर आइए, हाँ आएंगे, राम. I saw personally. Nice. And he was pious person also. Same way we should keep the Lord Hare Krishna mantra in our tongue. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Big or small, छोटे बड़ा जो भी है, you can reach Krishna's lotus feet. And then pride and attachment leads to loss of intelligence. And this showed Ravana, Dhyayate Vishaya Pumsa पूरा अजामिल के example देते हैं, रावण भी देखते हैं. Contemplation, he heard from whom? Suparnaka, बहुत सुंदर. हाँ. And he got attracted. Then Sangaste Shubhajayate, Sanga Sanjayate, Kama Krodha. Why? What? Krodha Bhavite, Samoha. Intelligence चला गया रे, दूसरी की बीवी है. Samoha. I have already a beautiful wife, Mandodari. What is the need for me to kidnap Sita? नहीं, दिमाग पागल हो गया. Vidibhamshad, Buddhinasha, Pranaj became crazy and said, I cannot live without Sita, and kidnapped her. है ना? जब आदमी पागल हो जाता है कुछ नहीं सोचता. So it's an example given. Actually, Ravan is not ordinary person, he is Jay, Vijay. But what is the lesson for us? Be careful. माया से खेलने का नहीं, माया नष्ट कर देगी. जो चीज चाहिए भी नहीं उसके बिना सोचोगे, उसके बिना नहीं रह सकते. Hearing about the Lord. So रावण का जो पूरा पास टाइम है, that's a created पास टाइम by the Lord. लीला है. करेक्ट. रावण तो जय है, कुंभकर्ण विजय है ना. So, but this is the pastime, Leela. Why did Lord Rama create the pastime? He came actually to enjoy fighting with Jaya Vijaya, Bhagwan Ji. But what is the purpose? Unki Leela we get opportunity to hear. When Lord comes in this word and enacts beautiful pastime, when we hear the world of pure love. This is the world of pure lust. And we hear about the world of pure love, we become attracted, interested to go back to Lord. So that the opportunity. So therefore Krishna comes in this world, Lord Rama comes, the pastimes are created, and we get a chance to hear. And we get a chance to hear, and we get a chance to purify ourselves. Sacrifice even for the family, even with the family to surrender to Lord Rama. This is from Vibhishana. Look at Vibhishana. Vibhishana sacrificed his family. दूसरी साइड में कोई गारंटी नहीं था वो एक्सेप्ट करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, कोई गारंटी नहीं था. When he came flying, he was also powerful, he came flying. At that time what happened? Everybody said, oh enemy है, ये तो उनका स्पाई बन जाएगा, सब हमारे चीज उधर बता देगा, इसको नहीं रखने का, सबने मना किया था. But Lord Rama said, I cannot say no. Somebody comes for shelter, I cannot say no. कोई शरण मांगने आता है, मैं ना नहीं बोल सकता उसको. That is a quality of a great acharya also, and also quality of a Krishna, huh? Great master. He cannot say no, so he gives you shelter. Counsel and advice in battle against illusion. Okay. Against. So Lord Rama always, हमारा दुनिया में अभी हम से माया से युद्ध कर रहे हैं, we should always be ready for an advice. Not that you become very proud. Oh, I'm an expert. No. Always be ready for an advice. Like Lord Rama shows by an example, always taking advice from Vibhishana, correct? In a battle. So similarly, हमारा भी माया से युद्ध चल रहा है. Any advice, any instruction which is ready. Particularly, we should keep reading Shastra and keep taking instruction of Shastra. नहीं तो माया will easily swallow us. खा जाएगी. Grace of the devotee needed to kill demons within. So हमारे दिल में भी. Anyway, that's another instruction. Agastya Muni arrow was used by Lord Rama. So in the sense, devotee का मदद अच्छा रहता है हमेशा. Welcoming the Lord in the heart with lamps. So we should purify our heart, light our heart with purity. अपने दिल को उजागर करना चाहिए, तभी भगवान आएंगे. Correct? So to invite Lord to our heart, we should purify our heart, then Lord will come. Any more lessons? So many pastimes are there. This is the limited pastimes. You read so many pastimes. Think. Yes. Lakshmana gives an example how to be a servant. 26th. That's really Balaram teaches how to serve Rama, how to serve Krishna, correct? Lakshmana he did not even sleep. Some people say that he transferred his sleep to his wife, and his wife was sleeping. And there's somewhere I read it. Yeah, something like that. Double sleep, she was like that. Anyway, whatever it is, so we should be ready for any determination to serve the Lord. Determination, that is needed. See, what is the difference between an acharya and us? Our determination to serve is very little. There is like Jwalamukhi to serve the Lord. हमारा एक अगरबत्ती की तरह इतना आ गया सर्व करने का, ठीक है? So therefore, when we associate, we have to see intense desire to serve Krishna. Hai? What is the difference between a pure devotee and an ordinary devotee? Intense desire to, Prabhupada said, desire to serve the Lord is unlimited. The energy is unlimited in the spiritual world. इतने energy से भगवान के सेवा करते हैं, that is Vaikuntha. Yes. But we should be practical to our bodily strength. We should do. ये नहीं कि आज किया कल गिर गया. नहीं. We have to maintain स्थायी. Seva should maintain. But at the same time, we should always push ourselves. Yes, good. Lakshmana's service. In fact, there is another thing. Somebody asked him, "This jewelry belongs to Mother Sita. Can you identify?" He said, "No, I do not know. I never saw her above the lotus feet." Correct? That's also the etiquette. That's the culture. They never looked at the face of Mother Sita. Always at her lotus feet. True? हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. We cannot even imagine these characters, so advanced characters. Then
she told him to go, and Rama is in danger. But then he refused. Finally, she told, "I know you came here to enjoy me." Immediately it was like his integrity and
question. So immediately left.
Later, Rama came. Rama saw Lakshmana, and he said, "You are a useless servant." So there is competence was questioned.
Yes,
So
both the ways.
Anybody who is serving,
Ah.
if both our integrity and competence is questioned, whether we can serve.
Correct. Yes. Yeah, our integrity and all will be questioned sometime, and we should keep our determination. Then anything else?
Sumitra Devi, his mother, Lakshmana.
Ah,
Lakshmana didn't told with his wife. And Rama says, "Yeah, okay. Please tell with your mother that I am going to forest." So he went and he said, "You take the blessing." And he went. Immediately she told, "What you have to do here, where there is Rama and Sita, that is itself is Ayodhya." So she is setting a perfect example of how mother.
perfect. Correct. So yeah, she encourages him. Go well, Lord Rama is there. Do some service. Amazing. That's he. So Lakshmana was hesitant to meet his wife. He may not get permission from her to go. So at least Rama said, "Ask your mother at least permission." So he told mother, "I have to go for service to Lord Rama, or should I stay?" She said, "Better go. Where there is Ayodhya, where Lord Rama is there, that is Ayodhya for you. यहाँ क्या करोगे? Go serve." So beautiful. ठीक है. So we have beautiful examples. Anything else? 28. Huh?
One more thing, we should, many of them have desire to serve, but we should be trained up. Lakshmana he had desire to serve Rama, and he was trained up in so both should require.
Amara, we should have desire to serve the Lord, but we should get training also. Quickly learn how to serve. How do you serve? Lakshmana wanted to serve the Lord, but he knew all the skills to serve him. Correct? Yes. ठीक है? We close here. Nice. Srila Prabhupada की रामनवमी महामहोत्सव की रामनवमी महामहोत्सव की रामनवमी महामहोत्सव